Hi, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Leah Ree, and I got sent a bundle in 3 closures by Beeos or Beeos hair off of Amazon. The closure is 20-inch H's, it is 5x5, and it's an HD lace. And I got 3 bundles in the lengths 24, 26, and 28. In the box was an elastic band. I showed that in the beginning. Wig cap. And I didn't know this was a headband. This is a headband. I'm going to show y'all after I open it. And it comes with an instruction card on how to take care of the hair. Okay, so here's the 5x5 HD lace closure. I'm going to hold it up to my hand after I show you what it looks like on the inside. But I think it really is HD lace. Like, when I put it up to my hand right here, you can't really see it. Like, if you don't want to, you don't have to bleach the knots on this because the knots are really small. As you can see, I put my hand back and you can't even see the lace or the knots. So if you don't want to bleach the knots, you don't have to. But of course, I am going to bleach and pluck the knots. So this is me showing you how long and how the density is on the closure. Okay, the hair is wet because I just washed it after bleaching and plucking it. But it took to the bleach really well, and it was easy to pluck. And this is me holding up to my arm. Again, you can barely see the lace on my arm or the knots, so that is good. So I am going to make this into a wig off camera. I will make a video later on in life of how to make a wig because right now I'm still beginner on wig making, so yeah. Okay, I put all 3 bundles together out of the packaging and I'm running my fingers through it and no hair is coming out at all. Normally when you get lengths after around 26 inches, you want to get 4 bundles, so keep that in mind. And I am 5'7". I'm showing you how long the hair goes. It's like almost to my butt. This is the hair after I made it into a wig and plucked it. And now I'm going to put it in the middle part. Now I'm using mousse or foam to lay down the hair and make it flat. And then I'm going to put a wig cap over it and let it dry completely. showing you real quick what I use to flat iron the hair. I use Biosilk and I use Baby Bliss. I don't know which flat iron it is, but I have a Baby Bliss flat iron. So I put a little bit of Biosilk in my hair and I rub it throughout the strands. And then I use my flat iron on 450 and then I just flat iron it. Then I go in with my wax stick and hot comb and I make sure everything is really flat and there's no flyaways. Okay, you see me with my ball cap lay down now, but then later on I transitioned to the next day and I took the ball cap off. So that's just to let y'all know. But I am going to wear this wig glueless. And as you see, I popped it on my head and it's already like, you can't see the lace or nothing. Like, this looks like my real hair. I over bleached the hair a little bit, so I'm going to fix that with black spray in a little bit. But since I custom made this wig, the wig fits perfectly on my head, so I can wear glueless without having to adjust it. So whenever I get a factory made wig, I'll show you guys how I make it into a glueless wig with an elastic band. Now I'm using my zigzag scissors to cut the lace, and I needed to get closer to the mirror, so I kind of went off camera a little bit. But here it is after one side is cut. And then here's it with both sides cut. I didn't have the right makeup brush to do my part, so I just had to use this, and I tried my best. Okay, I used the Highly Intense Black Spray by L'Oreal. I sprayed it off camera because I needed to get a closer look in the mirror. But I was going to wear this without baby hairs, but then I changed my mind. So this is what it would have looked like. It's a little blurry right now, but I was trying to show y'all that it actually was glueless. I put my comb under it and everything. But I am going to add baby hairs. and I'm going to part them out and then use mousse. Mousse is the key thing for a glueless wig. So when you get a factory made wig and that's the elastic band, what's going to hold the wig down, not really hold it down, but make it stay in place, is the mousse. So you don't have to use no gels or no spray, just use the mousse and then wrap it down and dry it. Normally I curl the baby hairs before I swoop it, but I didn't have time to do that this time. So I just went straight with the mousse and put it on and started swooping my baby hairs. And then after you're done with that, once again, you tie it with a wrapping strip or like a scarf, and then you blow dry it, and that's what's going to make it glueless. about 3 wrap strips, and then I blow dried the my forehead, and then I cut off the wrap strips after everything was dried. Okay, y'all, the hair is actually really soft, and it was easy to comb through, because you know how when you get long hair we get entangled and stuff. This hair wasn't that. I was able to well, of course I carried a brush around because I always do that, but I was able to, you know, brush it a few times and then keep going and to keep brushing it and brushing it. This is what it looked like when everything was done. I tried to show you the back, but it was really long, so I'm going to add a picture to the end so you can see really how long it is. And then I also added some few videos when I was outside so you could really see. Like right here, this is what it looked like in sunlight. Also this one right here too. Well, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.